I'm in my basement today. We have like a living room in our basement where our TV is and all the kids' toys and stuff, and it's been driving me crazy. I've been watching some videos from Millennial Mom and Natalie Bennett, I believe is her name. And they've kind of inspired me to kind of take more of a minimal approach and hope that it helps this space be a little less chaotic and gets used more than just stuff dumped out everywhere. So I have a box for donations and a trash bag for trash, and we'll just go through and see what we find. I'm kind of on a journey to kind of simplify our life and to learn to love being a stay-at-home mom again, because it's been a little less enjoyable lately. So hopefully with a simplified house it'll help. So I'll take you along as I simplify our house. So this is what we're dealing with. Let me see. So you come down the stairs and there's just stuff everywhere all the time. Doesn't matter if it was cleaned this morning. It's just dumped. And like piles. Never gets put away. So we're gonna change that. Okay. So, hi. I'm gonna start over here in this corner, and I'm gonna turn my audiobook on as I go, and we'll see how much we get done before the kids get home from school. Okay, I'm gonna try and get our extensive kids library down to, oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. I moved all those books onto the two bottom shelves of our bookshelf here. And books are great, but if they're not reading them, then they don't need a spot in our house. And our big bookshelf bench thing just is being used to collect things on top, and so it's just not working as well anymore. So I'm gonna change things up and move that out, and yeah, get something else to go over there, or just leave it empty. Crazy thought. Okay, so I'm going to turn you around and let's see if we can make this work. Okay, I finally finished, and I've taken out quite a bit, but I put a lot back that I sorry, I kept a lot more than I'm wanting to, but I'm kind of wanting to see what our kids actually play with and what they don't. And so I'll turn you around and show you what it looks like now, and then I'll show you what came out of the room. Okay, so this is that scary corner where everything was on the floor. So I moved the books, and then I put all the bigger like vehicles, and these get played with quite a bit. So they're easier to play with. That's my bag of trash, like crazy amount of trash. This little corner, and I should move her vacuum over here too. But my youngest plays with this little dollhouse, and then there in that box right there that I'm pointing to has all of her make-believe and her little dolly stuff. And then she has a little mini set that she plays with in the dollhouse. Okay, so ignore the games. I did not tackle the games today. That's for another day. But this is our cube unit. It's not completely full, which is totally fine. Like I said, there's a few more things that I am wanting to, I think, get rid of, but I just don't know really what the kids play with all the time, so I kind of want to see that first. And then I just straightened up the couch, kind of put a few stuffies that just live down here on the couch, and we have blankets in there and stuff like that. And then I whittled down all the books to the ones that like I enjoy reading the most to the kids and the kids enjoy the most. I know there's a few upstairs and that'll have to be addressed, but they fit on that. And then that pile right there is all the shoes and clothes and socks and stuff that need to go upstairs that were left down here. And then I'll show you what came out of this room. So ignore the huge mess. So this is the box of books that I'm going to donate. And then these, so those are a pile of books that are good enough that like I think I can sell. And then there's a bucket of Lincoln Logs that they've been in our house for 2 years and haven't been played with ever. And then there's a dinosaur truck, a pirate ship, and then a VTech track that used to get played with all the time and just doesn't anymore. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.